Understanding paper types and basic crafting techniques like scoring and folding will elevate your projects. Let me explain the types of paper that are available. When it comes to selecting card or paper for your projects, it can be a little bit of a minefield. There's a large number of different finishes, weights and properties that can factor in when deciding which cardstock to buy. Don't worry, we've all been there, so let me explain the most important ones. The weight of the paper depends on how thick and heavy it will be. The bigger the GSM, the thicker the cardstock. For die cutting and embossing, we recommend using cardstock up to 310 GSM. Our white multi-purpose card will suit most of your crafting needs, but should you want something different, then there's a matte black card or a craft card. If you're doing mixed media projects and using products like watercolour paints, aqua markers or watercolour pencils, you'll want to use watercolour card for the best results. Scoring will help you achieve precise folds without cracking the paper. It's a simple technique that makes your projects look polished and professional. Now all you have to do is decide where you're going to score and then run the scoring tool down the board to create the impression. Then take the card and fold away from the impression, as this will prevent the fold from breaking the paper fibres. And there you go, there's your card base.